In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your shopping cart on Temu.com and complete checkout while understanding how taxes are included in your total. To begin, go to Temu.com and browse for the products you want to buy. Take your time looking through the listings, and when you find an item you want, add it to your shopping cart. If you're shopping for more than one thing, repeat the same process until your cart includes everything you plan to purchase. This is a good moment to quickly review your selections, since the cart is where your order starts to come together before payment. Once you're ready to move forward, open your shopping cart and look over the items you've added. Check that the products, quantities, and any selected options match what you intend to buy. When everything looks correct, click the Proceed to Checkout button. This takes you from shopping into the order confirmation stage, where the site prepares your final purchase details. On the checkout page, enter your precise shipping destination address. Be as accurate and complete as possible, because this information is important not only for delivery, but also for calculating the correct taxes for your order. Make sure details such as your street address, city, region, postal code, and country are entered carefully. Even small errors can affect shipping accuracy or the tax calculation shown at checkout, so it's worth taking an extra moment to confirm everything. After your shipping address is entered, review the order summary. At this stage, you should be able to observe the automated sales tax or VAT line item included in your order total. This amount is typically calculated based on your shipping destination and the applicable local tax rules. In other words, the website automatically determines the tax that applies to your order and displays it clearly as part of the final breakdown. This helps you see exactly what you're paying before you complete the purchase. Finally, when you're satisfied with the order details, submit your payment. When you do this, your payment covers both the item cost and the taxes together instantly as part of one completed transaction. After payment is processed, your order is officially placed. That's the full process. Add your items to the cart, proceed to checkout, enter your shipping address carefully, review the tax or VAT line in the total, and then submit payment to complete your order smoothly and confidently.